from this to this. Today I make video about reheating leftovers. To start, you will need a cutting board. All leftovers are different, of course. You will need a knife, some rosemary, olive oil, good, a clove of garlic, your leftovers, which I have put into this container of things. Cut off this gross stem right here and explode it everywhere in your house. Cut off sharp knife here to get rest of skin off. Now my food stuff is separated, so just dump out food onto plate. Use a sharp knife and cut potatoes. And you just want to cut up your garlic a little bit better than what it is right now. Now we just slide this to other side of cutting board here. You can start off with cutting board and sharp knife. So you take your entree, which in my case was a healthy dosage of corned beef, which seems like a lot of corned beef, yes. In fact, you want to cut away all the fat and just kind of, make corned beef look a little bit appetizing. No, you're not going to have corned beef. But this goes for, a sandwich meat as well. You do the same thing. You separate it off and put it down onto a plate. Spill it all over the counter. And you put it out onto your meat, obviously. You can, you just want to pour a drizzle of olive oil in to the pan. Just, about that much. Not too much, not too little to pan. If you want, you can put garlic in whenever. So just kind of scrape garlic into pan. Then grab a spoon or a utensil to spread out, your. You be careful because, if you get water into hot oil, it will, pop up and burn you. And then you just carefully add potatoes to a pan with lower heat on because you really don't want to splash water all over the place or cooking here. Kind of want to get them heated up. When you think potatoes are good enough, you can turn off the heat. Take potatoes. We're not using rosemary or olive or garlic this time. We're just relying off of olive oil in pan. Kind of get that into the pan here. Somehow, you get into pan. Oh. Nice and, warmed up. Or crispy, or, toasted. And you just kind of, let them go for a bit. And then get them nice and sizzly up here. And then, when you think it's good enough, you take food off the stove to this. A nice, delicious looking plate of corned beef and potatoes. And this is how you cook up leftovers. You add flavor to them and then heat them up in a frying pan and make a mess of your kitchen.